Okay. So, guys, boleh dengar gemar tak? Is there echo? Got. Okay, start. Okay, now better? Sekarang okay tak? Okay, so we start. Okay guys, so first of all, sebelum kita mula lesson, I have something to tell you all. Okay, so basically next week, minggu minggu depan, Khamis, Jumaat, Thursday, Friday next week tak ada kelas. Okay, because I am going to holiday, okay, in Johor and Singapore. Okay, so next week tak ada kelas Khamis, Jumaat malam tak ada. Alright. So yes, that's the first announcement. So mungkin saya akan ganti Isnin Selasa lah. Okay, Monday or Tuesday. Alright. So can guys? Boleh? So Isnin or Selasa next week. Alright. So are you okay? Isnin Selasa untuk next week boleh tak? Maksudnya 24 and 25 June. Okay? Masa sama 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Okay? So yeah, that's the only announcement. Okay, so we start. Alright. So before kita proceed, oh tak apa, it's okay. You can watch recording for that case. Okay, so we start. Okay, so now we will talk on subtopic 2.3 recap. Okay, so first question, sorry. In these two questions, adakah kamu ada masalah untuk selesaikan tak? Cuba baca soalan. Do you have any problem or not? Soalan keempat, dia suruh cari kecerunan tangent untuk lengkung pada X sama dengan 4. Untuk 5, dia suruh cari pemalar R untuk persamaan itu. Okay, so any problem guys, these two questions that you want me to discuss? Sebab kalau ada masalah, baru saya discuss. If not, akan ambil masa banyak. Okay, number 5. Alright, we go number 5. Okay guys. Wait, okay. So if you see this symbol guys, kalau kamu nampak simbol macam ni, what should we do? Apa kita kena buat? Apa langkah kita? What is our step? Anyone? What should we do? Yes, correct. So guys, don't be confused. Jangan takut bila nampak macam ni. Okay, actually, d over dx is actually dy over dx. They sengaja don't put the y for you. Okay, the y is actually this one. Y is equal to 2x minus 3 over x plus 5. Okay, so jangan risau kalau kamu tak nampak y. Okay, if you don't see the y, don't be scared. Okay, so it's actually got y only. Ada y, tapi dia tak tulis. Okay guys, so what will you do to differentiate this kind of equation? Kamu akan guna petua apa? What rule will you use? Yes, petua hasil bahagi untuk membezakan persamaan ni. Okay, you will use quotient rule. Okay guys, so let me ask you a question. Kalau saya nak bezakan yang ni, boleh tak saya guna petua hasil darab? Can I use product rule? Yes, boleh juga. Tapi mana lebih senang guys? Which one is easier? Yes, bahagi. You maintain in the form. Kalau kamu nampak pecahan, guna petua hasil bahagi. Tak nampak pecahan, guna petua hasil darab. Okay, you see fraction, you straight away use quotient. You don't see fraction, you use product rule. Okay, something like that. Okay guys, so first step, petua hasil bahagi. Do you all still remember apa yang kita kena buat? Langkah pertama. Very good. So mana U dan mana V? Atas U atau V? The top part. Atas U, okay, correct. So basically the format is U over V. Okay, so that means kamu kena bezakan U dan bezakan V. So guys, bila kamu bezakan yang ni, if you differentiate this, what do you get? Apa jawapan dia? Yes, very good. If you differentiate this, what do you get? Yes, satu sahaja. Okay, so no problem lah. Then kamu gantikan dalam rumus sahaja. Just substitute in the formula. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, ini cara dia. So the rumus, if anyone forget, dy over dx equal to v du over dx minus u dv over dx over v square. Ini rumus untuk petua hasil bahagi, quotient rule. Okay, so you just substitute only. Okay, ada di paper kasa. D tu apa? D paper? Tak faham. Ada di paper. Maksudnya ada kat kertas ke? Oh, faham dah, faham. Okay, yes. This formula is provided. Okay, rumus ni diberi. Okay, so it's given in the exam. Okay, so no need to memorize. Tak perlu hafal. Okay, so yeah, just substitute only. After that, permudahkan, simplify, kamu akan dapat jawapan ni. So guys, soalan kata ini sama dengan yang ni. Correct? Based on the question is like this. So you compare, bandingkan. So that's why R is equal to 13. Correct. Understand guys? Are you clear? Question number 5. So this is the method to solve. Okay, so we proceed. Next question. Alright. So here got many question here. Cuba bagi tahu saya mana kamu rasa susah. Which one you find difficult? Komen nombor soalan. Yang kamu rasa susah sahaja. Like you don't know how to solve.
3.
Okay, 3. 3 everything ABC. 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay. Think enough already lah. Okay, cukup. 2 also got. Okay lah, bincang semua lah macam tu. Okay. I rasa you all very weak in differentiation already. Never mind. We work together. Okay, fx. They give you this function. Okay, bagi kamu, tapi saya kena ikut majority. Okay, I have to follow the majority opinion. Okay, so nombor 2, fx. So guys, when you see this kind of symbol, yes. So f prime maksudnya apa? What should we do? Apa langkah kita? Yes. Okay, you must remember guys, f prime x, dia sama maksud dengan dy dx. Is totally the same. Hanya cara tulis berbeza. Okay, because you have function fx, so pembezaan dia kita panggil f prime x. If you have function y, we call it as dy dx. So jangan tertukar, don't change. Okay, so yeah. So I think this one bezakan tak susah kan? So guys, can you all tell me the answer? After you differentiate this, what is the answer you get? This one technique asas. Okay, boleh. So apa kamu dapat? Untuk yang tak confident, kamu bagi tahu jawapan f prime x dulu. You just tell this answer first to me. What you get after you differentiate. Okay, let me check. 2x, correct. Minus 2x power negative. Okay, Aifeh correct. And Muhammad Afi correct. Betul. Dua-dua pun betul. Okay guys. So f prime x, 2x power negative 1/3 tolak 2x power negative 4/3. Alright? So this is the first step. Second step, kamu nampak yang ni. You see this number here. Guys, what does it mean bila kamu nampak nombor 8? Oh, itu jawapan akhir ke, Aifeh? Yes, X sama dengan 8. Correct. So you gantikan nombor 8 in all of the X term. Okay, just substitute number 8 inside. Press calculator, get the answer. Okay, so let's check and see. Yes, number 2, the answer is 7/8. Very good. Okay, so hopefully you clear on number 2. Okay, so next one, number 3. Okay, number 3 shouldn't be that hard. Okay guys, they ask you to simplify, permudahkan. So guys, apa yang saya boleh permudahkan kat sini? What can I simplify? Anyone know? Yes, correct. You can simplify the T. So guys, kita guna hukum apa kat sini? What law are we using here to simplify? Yes, index law, indices law, correct. So, bila bahagi index, what will happen when you divide? Yes, minus. So minus 1/3. Okay, this one kamu boleh tulis macam ni. T kuasa 1/3. This is called punca kuasa 3T. Okay, cube root of T. Okay, so then just press calculator, get the answer. Okay, so that is for bahagian A. And then bahagian B, F prime T, senang juga, differentiation. Okay, so just now, jawapan is power 8/3. So guys, can you tell me the answer selepas pembezaan? Okay, 16T, yes, correct. So this is the answer for bahagian B. Refer pada jawapan Afiq. Okay, and then for number C, very simple, gantikan T sama dengan 1/8 kat jawapan B. Then you get the answer. Understand guys? So this is for number 3. Okay, usually exam won't ask like this lah, because very simple, sangat mudah. Exam takkan tanya macam ni. If tanya means you very lucky lah. Okay, because exam this one very easy. Okay, number 4. They give you S. Okay, find ds dt. So answer guys, can you tell me ds dt secara pantas? Yes, very good. Differentiate, you will get 60 plus 5. Okay, second part, ds dt negative. So guys, how should I write this? Macam mana saya kenal tulis yang ni? Negative. Afiq, soalan tanya negatif. Yes, less than 0. Buku teks, correct. ds over dt less than 0. So, kamu gantikan ungkapan kamu tadi lah. Okay, 60 plus 5 less than 0. So, t is less than negative 5/6. Settle. Okay, julat nilai t. Saya tak sure saat saya check. Saya pun tak buka. MS 48. 48. Okay. So this is number 4. Alright, number 5. dy dx. Okay. Adalah 7. So you can write as dy dx sama dengan 7. First information. Okay, so next one guys. Apa yang kita boleh buat sekarang untuk cari A dan B? Siapa tahu? Okay, before that, sebelum yang tu. Okay, correct. Guys, whenever you see two unknown, bila kamu nampak dua pemboleh ubah, apa konsep yang kamu akan guna untuk selesaikan? Lebih spesifik, apa tentang equation? Yes, I feel correct. Persamaan serentak. simultaneous equation. Always remember guys, bila nampak dua variable, first thing come to your mind, simultaneous equation. Tak kira apa bab, whatever chapter, first thing you think is simultaneous. Try to form two equation. Cuba kamu bentuk. Okay, first equation, the most obvious one. Guys, when you have a point, bila kamu ada titik atas lengkung, apa saya boleh buat? What can I do? What step can I use? Yes, substitute. Bila saya ada satu titik atas lengkung, saya boleh gantikan titik ni dalam persamaan dia. X sama dengan 1, Y sama dengan 4. So itu persamaan pertama kamu lah. Okay. Second, kamu kena bezakan persamaan ni. Okay, so when you differentiate, 3A X square plus 2BX. Okay guys, yang ni, dia akan sama dengan nilai apa? Wah, cepatnya. So this one is equal to what value? Dy dx ni. Very good. Okay, because they tell you dy dx is 7. So that's why sama. So guys, you can solve the equation already. Oh, sorry. Sebelum tu, tak lengkap lagi. X guys, kat sini kamu nampak ada X kan? Apa saya ganti X tu? What do I have to substitute X with? Nilai apa? Very good. Because kita nak cari kecerunan pada X sama dengan 1. Okay, we want to find the gradient of tangent at X equal to 1. So that's the concept. Okay, so I think simultaneous, kamu semua ada problem tak? Sebab yang tu saya tak mau tunjuk lah. Yang tu kamu sepatutnya dah tahu. Kalau simultaneous masalah kamu kena revise balik Form 4 Chapter 3 simultaneous. Okay, because nothing to do with differentiation. Tak ada apa-apa dengan pembezaan. Konsep pembezaan, semua kat sini sahaja. Okay, so yes. Kenapa? Macam mana nak tahu dy over dx ke dy dA or... Oh, faham. Okay Afiq, lihat sini ya. Contoh. Yes, saya faham. Yang ni tak jelas. This one. Okay Afiq, saya bagi contoh berlainan lah. Kamu kena lihat soalan. Okay, usually soalan akan kata macam ni. So Afiq, saya nak tanya, pemala, apa maksud pemala? Sepanjang kamu belajar maths lah. Yes, ada nilai tertentu. Yes. Maksudnya, mungkin persamaan kamu macam ni kan? Mungkinlah, tak tahu. So, bila kamu buat dy dx, kamu akan dapat yang ni. Betul? Tapi, let's say, kalau yang ni pula, adakah kamu akan bezakan B ni? Adakah kamu akan differentiate B? Bukan. Kita akan differentiate yang X sahaja. Because B is pemala. Kuasa kita kena darab dengan pemala. So, pemala tu tak pengaruhi apa-apa. Because pemala tu akan kekal nilai. Takkan berubah. Okay? So, itu sebab dia. Okay, so untuk number 6, you can see the answer over here. Okay. Is this the one? Sorry. Number 5. Bukan number 6. So this is the simultaneous. Okay, so A equal 5, B equal -4. Okay guys, any problem until now? Ada apa-apa soalan? Saya rasa okay lah so far untuk semua orang. Okay, so we go on number 6. Okay, so mereka suruh cari koordinat titik bagi fungsi yang ni. Okay, this one not so difficult. So mereka already give you this information. Okay, dy dx equal to 3. And they give you a curve equation. So guys, Apa kita kena buat kat sini? Sangat senang. Yes. dy dx equation equal to 3. Yes, very good. Then kamu selesaikan persamaan kuadratik sahaja. Yes, cari nilai x. Okay, after you get the x, apa kamu kena buat? Yes, find y. Maksudnya kamu ganti nilai x yang kamu dapat dalam persamaan. Okay, then you will get coordinate. So make sure guys, coordinate kamu kena tulis macam ni. Maksudnya you must have x value and also y value. Dua-dua nilai kena ada. Okay, then only we call as coordinate. Tak boleh berasingan. Alright? So yeah, this is how you solve number 6. So dy dx equal to 3. Solve the quadratic. Yes, bezakan dulu. Betul. Yang ni selepas dibezakan dah. Okay? So, then same process. Gantikan, then get your answer. Okay, so final answer 16. Okay? Are you clear? Should be okay. Yang ni masih mudah lah soalan dia. So next one. Nanti exam kamu akan nampak semua soalan pelik-pelik. It'll come a bit harder in your exam. Itu masalah admits. Nampak senang, but then when question come out, it's a bit hard. It's not as easy as you think. That's the problem. Okay, so HX. Okay, the first question, very senang. So guys, can you tell answer direct? What will you get? But trust me, if you follow from the basic, right, you will be good. Because asas tu penting bila kamu buat soalan lebih susah. So your foundation strong means hard question also can do. So jangan risau. 3kx square minus 8x minus 5. Correct. Very good. So that's the answer for A. Okay, next one. So this one kamu akan gantikan x sama dengan 1 in your answer over here equal to 8. Solve for k. Yes, correct. So this one easy. So this is for number 7. Okay. All right, guys. Can we go next page? Okay, so later I'll send the PDF. So don't worry. Okay, next one. 9, 10. Mana nak bincang? Kalau tak ada, kamu cakap tak ada. Kalau kamu confident dah. If you think you can solve these two without explanation, then kamu cakap no need lah. So anyone? You want to request any question? Tak ada? Saya proceed dah. 9, 10, no one? 10 just dy dx for both sides. 10 is you dy dx, this one. dy dx yang sebelah kiri sahaja. Then jawapan dia sama dengan yang ni. Then compare untuk cari A and B. Yeah. Okay. So jangan dy dx dua-dua belah. Nanti berbeza. Okay. So we proceed. Next question. Okay, this question saya akan bincang 13 and 14. Because 13 and 14 dia sedikit susah. Okay, compared to the rest lah. Alright. So this one guys. Okay, first question I think should be no problem. They ask you find dy dx. So guys, yeah, something like this. This is the kind of question guys you will see in exam. Contoh macam ni. They will add on more step untuk bagi lebih susah. Yes, petua bahagi, correct. Okay, so I think petua bahagi should be no masalah for y'all. So this is the step. Okay, this is how you can do petua bahagi. Alright, so if you have question, boleh tak saya faktorkan lagi? Afiq, saya akan hantar PDF dalam group nanti. Jangan risau. Okay, so kamu boleh lihat nanti. Alright, so guys, untuk yang tanya, adakah saya boleh faktorkan yang ni lagi? Can I factorize this one some more? What you guys think? Yes, boleh. So guys, apa boleh faktor kat sini? 464. Kamu boleh keluarkan nombor 2. Betul? Tapi itu adalah pilihan sahaja, tak wajib. No need to do. You can stop kat sini for dy dx. Okay, tak perlu buat sampai ke akhir. Takut kamu tersilap pula nanti. Okay, if you feel like you simplify enough already, you just stop there. Okay, but of course lah, jangan henti sini lah. At least proceed 1 or 2 more step after that. Like you kembangkan, and then maybe you kumpulkan term-term yang serupa macam tu. Okay, jangan henti kat sini. At least maybe here or here. Okay, so yeah. So next step, ini bahagian pertama soalan. So the other step is, mereka suruh cari julat nilai X. Kalau tak kecilkan dapat markah ke sir? Usually at maths, right? They will always emphasize in the simplest form, dalam bentuk termudah untuk apa-apa pun. So that's why saya galakkan untuk kecilkan. Okay, it's better to simplify. Tapi berapa banyak kamu kena simplify, itu tak tahu. Okay, berdasarkan skema. Tapi asalkan kamu simplify lah. Okay, cara berapa jauh kamu simplify itu tak penting. Asalkan kamu simplify. Okay, so itu konsep dia. Alright, so next one, they ask you to determine julat nilai X. Okay, such that, okay, this is the condition guys. Okay, so how do I write this guys? Macam mana saya boleh buat yang ni? Okay, mungkin some of you will think already, macam mana buat yang ni? Okay, I show you all. Okay, so let's say black color. Y adalah positif. Yes. So kamu kena buat dua ketaksamaan yang berlainan. Two different inequality. Okay, so you must separate like this. Okay, two separate. So y greater than 0, you can write like this. Correct? You copy back the equation only. Greater than 0. dy dx. Okay, just now jawapan dia adalah this one. Okay, so you copy back. Sat. Afiq, kalau kamu bagi tahu yang tu, salah tahu. Because dia tanya julat. Julat tak boleh ada simbol sama dengan. So make sure you read the question carefully guys. Maybe sometimes you kusyuk buat penyelesaian kan, kamu lupa kehendak soalan. Okay, Sat, kita cek nanti. Okay, so untuk dy dx, okay, so it's this one. 4 plus 6x minus 4x square over x square plus 1 square. Okay, Chun. So now guys, I can simplify to become like this. Betul? Sebab yang ni, bila saya bawa atas, kosong. So nothing. Hapus dah. Okay, so next one, you can cari nilai x. So x lebih besar dari 3/4. Okay, tak boleh stop sini. Kamu kena teruskan untuk yang ni pula. Okay, so this one, same step. Lebih besar dari kosong. And then, pemudahkan, bahagi 2. And then, faktorkan. Okay, you can factorize. Okay, sebelum tu, kamu boleh tukar jadi positif. So guys, I want to ask you a question here. Adakah saya masih boleh maintain macam ni simbol dia? The inequality sign, adakah dia maintain atau tukar bila saya darab dengan negatif kepada seluruh persamaan? Mana yang betul? Yes, make sure guys, kena tukar simbol. You must change the sign bila darab dengan negatif. Okay, common mistake. People won't change. Okay, then salah adi. Alright, so then you factorize. When you factorize, kamu boleh bagi dia sama dengan kosong. Okay, so that easier. So 2x, x, 2, 1. Negative, positive. So, you will get 2 answer. Okay, or x equal to 2. So guys, now you must imagine lah. Kamu kena bayangkan. You have a graph like this. So guys, less than 0. kawasan mana saya perlu lorek? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Apa jawapan betul? Where should I lorek for less than 0? A, B, C, D. Yes. Okay, tengah-tengah kat bawah. So you will lorek over here. So guys, your julat will be, if at the bawah, it will be something like this. Correct? Your range will become like this because it cover negative half and also the 2. So now guys, you have 2 answers. Kamu ada 2 jawapan. So which one I'm going to choose guys? Mana saya akan pilih untuk jawapan akhir saya? This one you must think now. Kena fikir sikit. Yang mana kamu akan simpulkan itu jawapan kamu? 2 tu maksud apa, Aife? 2 yang mana? Okay, kalau kamu confused, very simple guys. Kamu lukis garis nombor. Okay, I teach you all this one. So guys, try to place semua nilai ni dalam satu garis nombor. Okay, negative half, 3/4, and 2. Ini susunan dia kan? Let's say this one is 0. So guys, masih ingat tak matematik menengah rendah? You all learn how to draw the arrow. So itu kaedah kat sini yang kamu akan apply. Okay, so kamu boleh decide from there. So sana. Okay, so x greater than 3/4. Kamu akan lukis macam ni. Okay, second one. Okay, negative half until 2. Macam ni. Okay, dia akan cover semua yang ni lah. So guys, which one will be the answer now? Apa jawapan dia sekarang? Siapa tahu? Berdasarkan nombor garis ni. Kamu kena tulis dalam julat. Mereka tanya julat. They ask range. So anyone? Okay, sana. Saya lihat. Okay. X lebih besar dari 2. Tak betul. Salah. Okay guys, kamu kena lihat sini. If you refer to the arrow diagram, right? Apa kawasan serupa kat sini? What is the common region? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Mana kawasan yang 2 garis tu ada? Dari mana sampai mana? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Itu cara kamu tengok jawapan. So guys, where is the common region? Bukan. 2 garis tu kena ada. Kalau kamu kata negatif setengah, garis ni tak ada kat situ. Yes, correct. So this is the answer guys. 3/4 sampai 2. Sebab itu adalah kawasan yang dikongsi oleh dua-dua garis. Okay, it's shared by both the line. So that's why jawapan dia, you will conclude like this. Kamu akan tulis jawapan dia macam tu. This is your lower form math basic guys. Basic dari lower form. Tak ada apa-apa tentang NMaths kat sini. You study this in form 2, if not mistaken, or form 1. Lupa dah. Okay, so this is the answer. Understand guys? So do you find this question a bit challenging? Rasa susah kan? Sikit lah. Okay, level dia naik sikit. Because bukan saja kamu kena tahu bezakan, you must also know how to solve inequality, ketaksamaan linear, which is your maths knowledge. Okay? So yeah, ini adalah contoh 13 that I solve. Okay? So this one, 14, exactly the same question. Soalan yang sama. Tengok. Cuma tukar keadaan sahaja. Okay? So exactly the same lah. Yang ni saya tak perlu explain dah. 13, 14, exactly the same. Okay? So kamu boleh lihat lah for 14. Okay? So first of all, so guys, untuk yang ni kita guna petua apa? Untuk bezakan? Ya, correct. Now it's less than 0. Yes. Quotient rule, petua hasil bahagi. Okay, so pemudahkan, kamu dapat yang ni. And then, kamu gantikan lah. Okay, kamu akan dapat 2 jawapan ni. Okay, this one over here, you need quadratic knowledge. So, lengkung dia macam ni. So this is -1, this is 5. Okay guys, greater than 0, lebih besar dari kosong, kamu akan lorek kat sini, kat atas paksi X, above the X-axis. So that's why julat dia macam ni. Okay, so this one is your quadratic knowledge. Yeah, so next one, kamu dapat yang ni. Okay, so now, how do we conclude the answer? Again, kalau kamu rasa susah, draw the number line. Yang ni sangat membantu. Okay, so X less than -1, macam ni. X greater than 5, macam ni. And then, X less than 2, macam ni. Okay guys, so mana kawasan serupa kat sini? Where is the common region? Yes. Okay, the common region is over here. Kamu tak boleh kata -2. Kamu tak boleh kata 2 because tak ada garis kat sini. Okay, there is no second line. Second line hanya bermula from X equal to -1. So that's why julat saya kena mula dari -1 ke kiri. Understand guys? So this is the concept for inequality. Okay, so this is I think all the question. Hampir semua soalan dah dalam buku teks. Okay, so we proceed guys. Dah habis yang ni. Okay. Oh, yang tu pengamilan. Afiq, kamu boleh tengok YouTube saya masa weekend ni kan, Saturday, Sunday. Kamu cuba buka YouTube saya, Form 5 Chapter 3, pengamilan. Saya dah ajar soalan isi padu semua yang tu. Okay, kamu boleh carilah kat playlist. Situ tak ada. Situ tak ada tentang volume. C3 sahaja volume. Differentiation nothing about volume. Okay. Tapi soalan macam kadar perubahan isi padu itu adalah. Tapi kalau nak cari isi padu itu di bawah bab 3. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so now guys, we will recap on the second derivative, pembezaan peringkat kedua yang kita belajar last week. Still remember guys, 15 minit terakhir kita cover yang ni. Okay, 2.3. Okay, just now was 2.2. Okay, so now 3 soalan saja, only 3. Okay, so this one, they ask you to find the possible coordinate of A when dy dx equal 0. So guys, yang ni senang lah. Kamu bezakan yang ni sahaja. Okay, just differentiate. So guys, can you tell me the answer selepas pembezaan untuk persamaan ni lah. Yes, very good. Okay, so sama dengan kosong. So kamu selesaikan persamaan kuadratik. So kamu akan dapat 2 nilai X. Okay, you will get 2 value. So guys, so next, mereka suruh cari d2y dx2 kat titik A. So how to do this guys? Kita perlu buat pembezaan peringkat kedua. Yes, 6x plus 6. Lepas tu, gantikan nilai X. Nilai X datang dari koordinat X titik A. Okay, so for the working, kamu boleh lihat kat sini. Alright, so bezakan dua koordinat. So kamu akan ada 2 nilai. Okay, so there is 2 coordinate here. -3, 29, and also 1, -3. Got 2 possibility. Okay, so next one, kamu kena buat secara berasingan. Okay, you must do separately. So basically, when x equal to -3, d2y dx2 akan sama dengan -12. So guys, I ask you over here, yang ni, koordinat -3, 29. Based on your knowledge lah. Adakah ini titik maximum atau minimum? Is this a maximum point or minimum point? If you see this coordinate, berdasarkan nilai ni. What do you all think? Max or min? Yes, correct. Maximum. Bukan minimum ah. Okay, cara senang nak ingat. I share to you all. Actually, this one kat subtopic satu lagi dah kot. Kalau saya tak silap, 2.4. Okay, tak apa. Saya share lebih awal lah. So guys, d2y dx2, kalau dia lebih kurang dari kosong, kamu fikir macam ni. Guys, quadratic A less than 0. Your quadratic macam mana bentuk dia? Kalau A lebih kecil dari kosong? Yes, masam. So guys, if you have a crying curve, titik ni maximum atau minimum? Is it max? Yes. So max is the answer. So ini cara senang nak ingat. If your d2y dx2 is less than 0, you direct think of this. So that don't confuse. Then you will know it's maximum. Okay? Tapi ini bukan sebab sebenar. Ini cara nak ingat sahaja. Just a way to remember. Don't think this is the exact reason. Ini bukan sebab sebenar. Okay? Hanya untuk memorize sahaja. Okay? So next one guys, untuk yang ni pula, maximum or minimum? Untuk yang kedua. Yes, because positive. Okay? So now I ask you a question. Interesting now. Guys, let's say maximum or minimum? This situation sangat jarang lah. Tapi boleh juga berlaku. Yes, satu punca sahaja. Actually, kita tak boleh kata dia maximum or minimum. It is not maximum, it's not minimum. Yes, it is the turning point. Titik pusingan. Okay? So, titik pusingan, you can think of it like this. Let's say kamu ada graf macam ni. This is called titik pusingan. Turning point. Titik di mana bentuk graf berubah. The point where the graph shape will change. That is called turning point. Okay? Understand? So yeah, this is the concept you can use. Alright? So yeah, this is for soalan number 1. Okay, next one. More challenging. Okay, soalan buktikan. Siapa tak suka? This one famous. They like to ask. Buktikan come already. Okay, tak suka. Bab pembezaan pun ada buktikan. Okay, so don't worry. Guys, you see this one, kamu tengok sangat kompleks kan? So guys, kalau kamu nak mula pembezaan, kamu akan mula dari sebelah kiri atau sebelah kanan? Which one you will start first untuk mula buktikan? Kamu mula dari kanan atau kiri? Yes, kiri. Because kiri lebih susah. The one that is more complex, kamu mula dari situ. Jangan mula dari senang. Always from susah kepada senang. So this one is the senang. So guys, why? Kamu boleh cari kan dari persamaan ni. So jawapan dia 3 plus 2x square bahagi x sama dengan y. Kamu susun sahaja. So, kamu sepatutnya dapat jawapan ni untuk proses penyelesaian bahagian kiri kamu. When you solve the left hand side, you should get this answer at the end. That is your goal. Kalau kamu dapat yang ni, sudah dibuktikan. Kalau tak dapat, tidak dibuktikan. Okay? Simple as that. Okay, so guys, what should we do here? Apa kita kena buat kat sini? Siapa tahu? Yang paling senang lah, kamu kena buat apa? Kalau kamu lihat bahagian kiri, kamu kena, yes, bezakan mengikut peringkat pertama dan juga peringkat kedua. Okay, guys, jangan kamu rasa takut. Kamu fokus yang ni sahaja. d2y over dx2. This is second derivative, pembezaan peringkat kedua. dy dx. This is first derivative, pembezaan peringkat pertama. So, kamu buat macam biasa sahaja. You express this equation y in term of x. Lepas tu, buat dy dx. Lepas tu, buat d2y over dx2. X square, these two, right? Yang ni dengan yang ni, don't care. Lepas kamu dah cari dy dx dan d2y over dx tu, kamu gantikan sahaja dan selesaikan algebra biasa. Understand guys? So jangan kamu terganggu dengan dua yang ni. This one and this one. Jangan terganggu. Later kamu selesaikan macam biasa. Okay? So actually tak susah. Okay, konsep pembezaan yang biasa. Alright? So you can see the answer over here. So macam ni. So tadi saya dapat yang ni kan for y. Lepas tu kamu boleh separate. Okay, pisahkan macam tu. Then buat dy dx and then buat d2y dx tu. Lepas tu kamu gantikan. Ini adalah bahagian kiri persamaan kamu tadi. Am I right guys? This your left hand side. So kamu gantikan saja. d2y dx tu 6 over x cube. Gantikan. Can you see? X square tak buat apa-apa. Tulis saja. Okay? Same for this. dy dx. You see on top. Gantikan only. Exact same answer. Alright? And then you solve. Permudahkan, simplify. Kamu dapat yang ni. So guys, this one mewakili apa? Cuba lihat ke atas. Dia mewakili y kamu. So, tertunjuklah sudah dibuktikan. Because yang ni adalah sama dengan y. Soalan suruh buktikan yang ni. Question ask you to prove this. Sama dengan y. So yes, sama adilah. Understand guys? So tak susah pun. Okay? Can you guys get it? Boleh faham? As long kamu buat systematic. Sikit dah. Bagaimana tak faham, Afiq? Saya nak kamu totally clear dengan yang ni. Jangan ada apa-apa yang tak tahu. Kamu tanya sahaja. Sebab lepas soalan ni, kita nak masuk 2.4 tadi. Pembezaan peringkat kedua, kena tulis ikut simbol balik ke? Yes, kena. Okay. So Afiq, tadi kamu tak faham bahagian mana? Kalau kamu nak fikir, kalau saya bagi masalah. Okay. Oh, Afiq, jangan risau yang tu. Itu soalan dia. Kamu tak perlu hirau apa-apa. Bila kamu dapat nilai d2y dx tu, kamu gantikan masuk sahaja. Okay, tak perlu fikir macam mana itu. Okay, tak ada apa-apa kat situ. Kamu hanya perlu gantikan nilai d2y bahagi dx tu. Okay, let's say kamu confused. Saya bagi satu contoh kat kamu lah. Okay, x square kali y. Guys, normal algebra. Kamu dapat apa? What is your answer? Yes. So guys, cuba lihat soalan tadi. Just now question, right? X square d square y over dx square. Guys, sebenarnya yang ni adalah x square kali dengan d2y over dx square. Itu saja. Kamu nampak macam ni susah. Kamu nampak macam ni lebih senang. Betul kan? Am I right? That's why kamu confused tadi. It's just times only. Hubungan dia darab sahaja. So that's why jangan confuse. Dengan simbol D lah, all this, don't confuse. Okay? Maintain your concept only. Focus pada konsep. How find? Oh, okay, faham. Yang ni. Kamu kena mula dengan persamaan yang ni. Yang sudah diberi. So kamu ungkapkan Y dalam sebutan X lah. Lepas tu boleh cari dy dx. Faham? Okay, good. Alright. So next question, last one for 2.3. Okay. Another showing question. Bukan. Kena cari nilai T. Okay, so this one tak susah, right? Kamu buat dA over dt. Kamu buat pembezaan peringkat kedua. Then you can find the answer already. Am I right, guys? So can you all tell me what is your first derivative for this equation? Apa kamu akan dapat setelah pembezaan peringkat pertama? Yang ni sekadar mengukurkan konsep kamu saja. 3t square plus 4t plus 3. Mahir dah ni, Afiq. Bagus. Okay, second derivative. Kamu akan sedar guys, bila kamu buat banyak latihan kan, masa yang diambil untuk kamu differentiate tu, dia akan berkurang. Trust me. When you do a lot of exercise, right, you will come like this. Macam kamu snap your fingers, jawapan tu akan datang. Because you already confident and you know the concept of differentiation. Betul lah. 60 plus 4. Second derivative. Okay guys, get it? So then you can solve the equation lah. So the equation is like this. Okay, pembezaan sama antara satu sama lain, solve the quadratic. Okay, in this case, guys, adakah kita kena reject apa-apa nilai? Yes or no? Yes, tak perlu. Okay, because in this case, dua-dua nilai pun akan dapat jawapan sama. Both of it will give you same answer. So no problem, both of these value is correct. But let's say, tiba-tiba question bagi tahu like this. Dia bagi tahu syarat. It give you a condition, t greater than 0. So guys, which one will you accept? Jawapan mana? Macam tu lah. So just read the question carefully only, in case they put something like this. Alright, so that's it lah. Okay, so we already officially complete for subtopic 2.3. Alright, so next subtopic, we're going to mark so important application. Application mean you apply the knowledge of 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3 inside over here. Means all the technique pembezaan you apply in this bahagian, aplikasi pembezaan. Okay, so before we enter that, I want to introduce some concept to you all. Okay, so let's say guys, okay, what do we call this? Apa kita panggil yang ni? In bab pembezaan. Okay, what type of curve? Nama? Yes, so this is what we call as quadratic curve. The sequence is important guys, over here. So guys, now saya lukis garis macam ni. What do we call this line guys? Very good. This is what we call as tangent line. Because dia sentuh lengkung at only one point. It touched the curve at one point. So guys, one question here. Can you tell me, when you see tangent, what is the meaning for tangent? What symbol can we use for tangent? Anyone? Simbol yang kita guna untuk tangent. No. Not tan lah. Tan is trigonometry, guys. Tangent got nothing to do with tan. Tan is for trigonometry, not for this chapter. Yes, 90, not yet. 90 degree bukan. No. What symbol we use to show tangent? Apa simbol kita guna untuk gambarkan tangent? This chapter. Okay, Ken? Kecerunan, correct. Yes, I feel correct. Guys, tangent show you the gradient. Gradient sama dengan apa, guys? You learn in this chapter so far. Kamu belajar apa? Yes, simbol untuk kecerunan apa? Yes, that's the answer I want. dy over dx. You must understand this concept, guys. Tangent is equal to dy dx. The gradient of tangent is your dy dx. So that's the concept over here. Okay, so last one, guys. Kalau saya lukis garis macam ni, yang berserenjang dengan tangent, apa nama garis ni? Very good. So you must know the connection, perhubungan antara tiga-tiga benda kat sini. Curve, tangent, normal. So sequence is like this. First is curve, second is tangent, third is normal. Question will come out like this. Okay, so I will advise you, if you cannot imagine soalan, you try to draw out like this. If you draw, you will understand better. So this is one of the tips. If you feel like you cannot imagine this chapter. Okay, so now quadratic curve. Let's say I give you an example. This is quadratic curve. Y is x square plus 4x minus 4. So guys, can I ask you, dy dx, what is the answer? Yes. Okay, you will get 2x plus 4. All right. Now, let's say guys, I want you to find out this point. Saya nak kamu cari titik persilangan ni. Boleh ke tak? Can you find this point? Boleh. So macam mana kita nak cari? What concept? Always remember, when titik persilangan, bukan lagi. Ini antara dua yang ni. Kita tak sentuh yang tu lagi. Sekarang masih antara dua yang ni. First and second. Okay, jangan jump step. So, how do we find the coordinate? Siapa tahu? Bila kita cakap titik persilangan, guys. Titik persilangan, what concept we always use to find? Cari times di wait guys. No. Guys, you all lupa this one. Simultaneous. Guys, kalau kamu ada persamaan kuadratik dan kamu dah ada persamaan tangent, guys, kamu boleh cari titik persilangan. Am I right? Sama. Okay? Can you guys get it? Okay, I feel correct lah. Kamu boleh katakan dy dx equal to 0 first untuk cari nilai x. Okay, then kamu gantikan dalam curve untuk cari nilai y untuk dapatkan koordinat ni. Can you guys get it? So that is the concept here. Okay, so first of all, you have to let dy dx equal to 0. Okay, tunjuk cara. Okay. Sebelum yang tu, you have to imagine something like this. You have to draw an axis to imagine first. Okay, let's say your axis is something like this. Okay, mungkin tak tepat lah guys, because this one is saya create equation saja. So mungkin coordinate tu tak tepat sangat. Alright. So okay, guys. Alright. So, kat sini, kamu boleh cari pintasan X untuk tangent. Am I right, guys? You can find the x-intercept for tangent. Okay? So, basically, actually, right, guys, dy dx, kamu boleh cari kecerunan dia kat sesuatu titik. Betul? So, let's say, saya bagi titik kat kamu untuk lebih senang. So, guys, let's say the point of intersection is 5,7. Titik dia 5,7. So guys, can you tell me what is the gradient of tangent at this point? Yes, correct. So you just gantikan x equal to 5. Okay, usually question will tell you like this untuk lebih senang. So you will get 14. Correct? So this value show you the gradient of tangent, kecerunan tangent at this specific point. Kat titik ni sahaja guys, bukan kat mana-mana titik lain. Only at this point. Because curve, kecerunan dia selalu akan berubah. It will completely change. Because gradient is not constant. Okay? So now, let's say, I want to talk about the tangent and normal now. So guys, what is the relationship between tangent and normal? What is the equation? Yes, okay, m1, m2 equal to -1. Okay, if you want to be lebih specific, you can say m tangent and also m normal. You can give symbol like this. All right. So guys, just now, yang ni mewakili apa? M tangent. Correct? So 14, kamu boleh gantikan m normal equal -1. So kecerunan normal kamu, the gradient of your normal line is this one. So this is how you can find the gradient. Okay, logic lah, because garis dia macam ni. Betul kan? So this kind of line is negative gradient. Okay, so now famous question dia akan suruh kamu bentukkan persamaan normal. Find the equation of normal. So guys, how to find the equation of the normal? Macam mana? Kamu ada kecerunan. So apa lagi info kamu perlu untuk cari persamaan? Yes, very good. So coordinate mana kamu akan guna guys? Yang paling obvious. Coordinate. Yes. Guys, you must remember, coordinate ni, the 5, 7 is shared by the curve, tangent and also normal. Ketiga-tiga ni berkongsi titik yang sama, iaitu 5, 7. Lengkung, tangent dan normal, semua ada titik yang ni. So that's why we can gantikan inside the equation y minus y1 equal to m normal x minus x1. Let's say suddenly orang tanya, boleh tak saya guna persamaan ni? Can I use this equation guys? Y equal mx plus c? Boleh tak? Boleh juga. But usually at maths, kita prefer guna yang ni. Okay, at maths usually the first formula. Okay, so gantikanlah y7 negative 1 over 14 x minus 5. So then kamu boleh selesaikan. This one, knowledge ni datang dari mana guys? Siapa tahu? Bab apa? Kamu pernah belajar yang ni kan? Yes. So your coordinate geometry must be strong. Yeah, a lot of concept come from there for pembezaan. So kamu kena strong also over there. So your final answer, 5 over 14 plus 7. Okay. Okay guys, so this is your equation of normal, persamaan normal kamu. Okay guys, so the whole concept is basically summarized over here. You must understand the relationship between curve, tangent, normal. Boleh? Okay, can. Kalau kamu nak ubah macam ni pun boleh. 14y equal to negative x plus 103. Kalau nak ubah macam ni pun boleh. Usually right guys, question, sometimes mereka akan tanya macam ni. Beri jawapan for persamaan normal lah dalam bentuk ax plus by equal to c. Pernah nampak tak guys soalan macam ni? Dia suruh beri jawapan dalam bentuk ni. Yes. Okay guys, this one important lah. Kamu lihat betul-betul lah. Jawapan ni, adakah dia memuaskan kehendak soalan tak? Cuba lihat betul-betul. Tertukar kan kedudukan dia. So make sure kamu memang tulis dalam format tu. Okay? Yang ni baru betul. Okay, let's say soalan tanya yang ni. Okay, yang ni salah. Okay, walaupun dah hampir betul. Alright? So make sure you take note on the question. Yang tu pun boleh tulis kalau nak. Okay, many different way lah. Okay guys, are you clear on this concept here? This concept very important. Curve, tangent, normal. Okay, 3 things. Okay, any question so far? Apa-apa soalan nak tanya? Nothing, huh? So we go on. Alright, so wait. Ada apa-apa tak? Titik merah tu titik pusingan ke? Bukan? Dia hanya persilangan sahaja antara lengkung, tangent dan normal. Okay? Okay, so guys, kalau tanya pasal titik pusingan, kalau kamu refer quadratic curve, siapa boleh bagi tahu kat mana titik pusingan? Yes, the answer is here. This is the turning point, titik pusingan. Mengapa? As I say, titik pusingan adalah satu titik di mana bentuk graf akan berubah. Tengok guys, dari sini sampai sini, graf dia macam ni. Lepas titik pusingan, graf datang macam ni. Adakah bentuk graf berubah? Yes, the graph shape changes. So that's why kita panggil yang ni turning point, titik pusingan. Sebab the graph shape changes. Understand? So that's the concept. Okay guys, can we go on? Aplikasi pembezaan. Okay, now we enter the proper part lah for 2.4. Okay, so we start. Okay guys, for this one, the concept is like this. So kamu fokus kat sini. So guys, let's say I ask you a question. Can you tell me the gradient for the curve x square plus 5? Okay, correct. Tapi adakah itu nilai kecerunan sebenar? No, correct. Okay, so guys, bila mereka tanya kecerunan sesuatu lengkung, mesti mereka bagi satu titik kat kamu. They have to give you a point. Then only you can find the gradient of the curve. Kamu tak boleh tengok kuadratik ni dan kata, okay, kecerunan dia 2. You have to tell at which specific point, titik mana yang kamu rujuk untuk dapat nilai ni. Because different point, different gradient. Nilai kecerunan tak sama. You can see it changes -4, -2, 2, 4. Okay. So now, let's say I ask you a question. You learn on straight line, right? Kamu belajar tentang yang ni, garis lurus. So guys, garis lurus, adakah dia ada nilai kecerunan yang tetap? Does it have a constant value? Yes. So that's why straight line, you no need to know the exact point. Kamu tak perlu ada titik yang spesifik untuk tahu kecerunan dia. Okay, because directly saya bagi persamaan macam ni. Apa kecerunan garis ni guys? Yes, is number 2. Okay, this is the gradient value. You can know directly jadi. Tak perlu buat apa-apa. But for quadratic dan bentuk graf yang lain, kamu kena ada titik spesifik. Okay, so that is the concept over here yang diterangkan. Alright, so next one. Okay, now we focus here. So guys, this is also a quadratic graph. Okay, so now let's say kecerunan dia macam ni. So guys, this one is negative gradient, right? Kecerunan negatif. So that's why pembezaan peringkat pertama dia akan lebih kurang dari kosong. Because remember, first derivative will show you the gradient. Pembezaan peringkat pertama akan tunjuk kecerunan garis kamu. Alright? Always remember this. dy dx equal to gradient of tangent. This is the important concept. Same for here and also for this one. Alright? Are you clear guys? For this concept? I think not hard to understand, right? Sangat mudah untuk faham. Okay? Okay, so got one special case here. Okay guys, I ask you one question here lah. What do we call this line? Apa nama garis ni guys? Okay, now I ask you apa kecerunan normal kat sini? What is the gradient of the normal? Who knows? The kebat this one. Wrong. A lot of you will say 0. Anyone can tell? Siapa tahu? Jawapan dia bukan kosong. Macam mana boleh satu Afiq? Gradient of tangent kali gradient of normal, dia akan sama dengan -1. Betul? This is the concept. Kalau gradient of tangent is 0, 0 kali m normal sama dengan -1. So m normal berapa? Maths guys. -1 divide 0. Kamu dapat apa? Yes. So what is the answer? Infinity. Yes. Maths error. So means that kecerunan garis normal over here is infinity. Okay. Maksudnya nilai dia sangat besar. It's a very large value yang kita tak boleh imagine. This is the meaning for infinity. Okay. Can you guys get it? I think you all know, right? garis yang horizontal, kecerunan dia kosong. Garis yang vertikal, kecerunan dia tidak tertakwif. Am I right, guys? Same concept here lah dalam pembezaan. Kamu belajar kat matematik menengah rendah. Am I right? Horizontal line, gradient 0. Vertical line, gradient infinity. Correct? So, dibuktikan kat sini lah melalui konsep pembezaan. Understand, guys? Can you get it? So, this is one special fact lah. Untuk yang lain, kamu akan ada kecerunan biasa. Okay? So, next one. Okay, we go to question based on the knowledge that we learned so far. Okay, so first question. So, lengkung yang ni ada kecerunan yang diberi pada dua titik yang tu. So, guys, question is, okay, find the value of A and B. First question I ask you, what concept we use over here? Always when I say got two variable, what do we use, guys? Concept apa? Whenever they ask A and B, X and Y, yes. Specific lagi, apa equation? What's the name? Yes, simultaneous equation, persamaan serentak. Okay, don't forget this one. So guys, gradient, what symbol can we use? Kita kena tukar ke bentuk simbol. Yes, dy dx, correct. So basically, dy dx equal to negative 14, dy dx equal to 7. Kamu buat berasingan, solve separately. Okay, then kamu kena bezakan yang ni. You have to differentiate the equation. Okay, so bezakan, what do you get, guys? Can you all tell me? What will be the answer? Yes, very good. 2ax minus b over x square equal to negative 14. 2ax minus b over x square equal negative 7. So guys, now what do we do? Apa konsep sekarang? Kita kena gantikan nilai yang ini. Am I right? X equals half and X equals 2. So X equals half, masuk ke sini. X equal to, masuk sini. Alright? Because they say negative 14, X equal half. 7, X equal 2. So that's why kita ganti macam tu. Alright? So then, simultaneous only lah untuk cari nilai A dan B. Okay? Anyone here simultaneous still problem? Can you comment? Siapa rasa persamaan serentak kamu tak bagus lagi untuk selesaikan? Yes. Kalau nak, kamu boleh buka mic lah. Lebih senang untuk terangkan. The graph one, I don't know. The graph one. I see Afiq one. Negative B half. Okay, boleh. Boleh juga. Tak ada masalah. Kamu boleh tekan dalam calculator macam tu. Can. Okay. For Jiva. Okay, boleh. Take care. The graph one, I don't know. You mean this one, is it? The graph one. Which part of the graph you don't understand? Can you like share? Because basically over here you must just differentiate only. Oh, okay. Later you WhatsApp me lah. Okay, so guys, you can solve like this. Okay, this is the solving part for the simultaneous. Okay, so you can either use elimination or substitution method also can. Pergantian or penghapusan. Dua-dua pun boleh. Then you just get the answer. A is 2, B is 4. Okay, guys? Understand? The simultaneous part, I don't want to explain lah because it's mathematics, so you all learn already. Okay? So next one. Okay, this one. Important sentence guys. What information yang kamu boleh tulis bagi yang saya warna hijau? Kecerunan tangent adalah kosong. Yes. Ataupun dy over dx sama dengan kosong. This is another information. Yes. Okay, got another term guys. If you don't see gradient of tangent, right? Question will show you this term. Gradient function. Take note. Fungsi kecerunan juga membawa masuk maksud dy dx. Okay guys, gradient function. Soalan will use this also. Fungsi kecerunan. Dua-dua pun maksud sama. Okay, so same thing. Alright, so this one should be no problem. You already find your dy dx. Okay, so dy dx equals 0. Then you gantikan. Based on the a and b value, kamu ganti in your persamaan. Then you solve for x. Okay, kamu akan dapat x equal 1. Then, okay guys, this one over here. Kamu ganti, when you substitute, right? X equals 1, kamu ganti dalam lengkung atau tangent. Mana satu? Mana yang betul? Which one will you substitute? In the curve or tangent? The x equal 1. Mana yang betul? Yes. Always remember guys, when you substitute point in this chapter, right? Always substitute back to the curve. Tangent, you won't get answer. Always go back to the original curve equation and substitute. Okay, so the answer is 6. So coordinate. Okay, another common mistake, most of you will stop here, but wrong. Although your answer correct, you still won't get the final mark because question asks you to give in coordinate form. So coordinate must give the answer like this, no other choice. Okay, so yeah, understand guys? For this one, these are the two questions. Okay, so we proceed. Okay. Sana. Okay. We talk about tangent. Wait for a while, guys. Okay. So now we will see about kecerunan. Okay. So this one again, you must know this equation. This is the tangent equation. Okay, persamaan tangent that we will use in this chapter. Okay, and then these are the thing I explained just now lah, yang saya terangkan dalam slide pertama. All of this is over here. Okay, semua kat sini. Okay, so this one nothing lah, exactly the same like what I teach. Okay, so this one also same. Okay, if you feel confused, kamu hanya memorize persamaan ni sahaja. Jom look at this part. Okay, tak perlu lihat yang ni. Okay, if you feel confused. Okay, actually it's the same thing lah. Kalau kamu nak faham, if you want to understand, FA is actually your Y1. Okay, coordinate, yes, coordinate Y bagi yang ni. This one, T take P. Okay, and then F prime A, yes, M tangent. Okay, bukan M normal lah, M tangent. Kalau F prime A. Okay, and then X minus A2 is your X1. Same as this equation on top. Only the cara penulisan dia berbeza. Okay, so next one. Oh, all right. This one is for, who knows guys? This equation is for what? Adakah dia untuk tangent? Kalau kamu lihat betul-betul, yes, it's the normal. So guys, maybe you confused a bit, but it's okay. So guys, this part, right, you can write in another way. -1 bahagi dy dx. Because f prime A is your dy dx. You must understand. Pembezaan peringkat pertama kamu is your dy dx. So that's why it's -1 over dy dx. So guys, -1 bahagi dy dx. Kamu akan dapat apa? You will get kecerunan normal. Am I right? Because M normal, M tangent equal to -1. So M normal equal to -1 bahagi M tangent. Understand? Can you get the concept, guys? This is the concept. Okay, let's say you tell me -1 bahagi dy dx. Boleh tak saya tulis macam ni? Negative dx over dy bahagi kecerunan normal. Boleh ke tak? Let's say this is your gradient of normal. Yes, boleh. Yes. Secara matematik dia betul. Okay, so basically dy dx is your gradient of tangent. Negative dx over dy is your gradient of normal. Means you just songsangkan sahaja. Then you will get gradient normal. Pecahan tak ada bahagi. Maksud kamu? Pecahan tak ada bahagi. Oh yes, kamu tak boleh tulis simbol bahagi. Kena tukar jadi darab. That's why darab dx bahagi dy. Okay. So some simple exercise for you lah, guys. In all the question, I say you mean what is the use of this formula? Is it like kegunaan formula ni? Oh, very good question. I like this question. Okay, guys, some of you might think, right? Why we study all these dy dx? Anyone got this question? Mengapa kita perlu belajar pembezaan ni semua? Apa gunanya dalam kehidupan kita? You want me explain, guys? What is the use of differentiation in our life? Very simple. I tell you one thing only. You all got take roller coaster or not? Have you played roller coaster in the fun fair? I think you all play, right? Roller coaster. Guys, roller coaster, the architect, bila dia design. Guys, if your roller coaster, saya lukis bagi kamu, bentuk dia macam ni. Boleh ke tak, guys? Kamu main roller coaster macam ni. Ingat, kamu semua kat sini, lepas tu pergi ke sini. You go to heaven already lah, guys. Kamu masuk syurga dah habis. This is the important of differentiation, guys. Kalau kamu tak faham konsep tentang garis tangent, kamu ingat garis ni kecerunan dia rendah, habislah. That's the importance of differentiation, so that they can correct the mistake. That's why your roller coaster is something like this. Am I right, guys? So that dia tak terlalu tinggi. Tengok kat sini, kecerunan dia tak sangat tinggi. Lepas tu dia turun balik, naik balik. So that is the importance lah for differentiation. So arkitek semua kena guna yang ni bila nak reka permainan supaya selamat. Understand? So everything got use one. Jangan fikir kamu belajar ni untuk sia-sia saja. Okay, no, sangat berguna. Especially if you want to take engineering. Engineering course sangat penting. Ada satu kertas spesifik just on pembezaan dan pengamilan. Secara lebih detail lah. This one very basic. If you think this one susah, this one tak susah lagi. Dia akan lagi mendalam in differentiation and integration. What you learn in SPM is on the surface only. It's only 10%. 10% of the total knowledge that you have in this world. So tak sangat mendalam pun lagi this one. This one is the basic. Alright? So still got a lot more. Okay? So we try some question. Okay, so a tangent and a normal is drawn to a curve. Okay, so they ask you to find the value of dy dx at x equal to -4. Okay, guys, how to get dy dx for this one? What's the concept? Apa petua yang kamu guna? Yes, petua darab. Okay, so I think this one no problem lah. Okay, exactly the same as before. Alright, so we go directly to this one, persamaan tangent. So guys, how to get persamaan tangent? Siapa tahu? Yes. Okay, so kamu dah dapat nilai dy dx kan? Berdasarkan jawapan ni. So guys, apa kita kena ada lagi selain kecerunan untuk cari persamaan? Yes. Macam mana dapat koordinat tu? How to get it? Sebab kat sini mereka tak bagi apa-apa koordinat. Anyone? How do I find the coordinate? Very simple, guys. You see the question, you can know already. Bukan. Yang tu kamu tak boleh anggap. Sebab kita tak tahu titik ni adalah titik pusingan ke tak. Kita tak tahu yang ni. So that's why tak boleh buat yang tu. Alright? Bukan? Guys, very simple. Kamu ada persamaan lengkung yang ni kan? This is your curve. Saya nak tanya, titik ni atas lengkung atau luar lengkung? Is it on the curve or outside of the curve? Yes, always remember guys, mana-mana titik atas lengkung kamu boleh gantikan dalam persamaan untuk cari koordinat dia. Do you get it guys? Any point, you just substitute inside the curve equation and then find your y value. Then, kamu dah ada satu koordinat lah. Do you guys get it? Then you can form your equation of tangent already. Settle. Alright? Gradient of tangent adalah jawapan bahagian A. Understand guys? Can you get it? So this is for bahagian B. And then bahagian C, persamaan normal, kamu hanya perlu buat negatif 1 bahagi dengan kecerunan tangent yang kamu dapat tadi. Exactly the same. Gantikan koordinat yang ni, yang kamu dapat dari sini. Alright guys, so this is the working kat sini for this question. Okay, you do sana bukan 13/3. Mungkin kamu kena check sekali lagi working kamu. Okay, so you use the product rule, petua hasil darab, and then you try to simplify, okay, until you get quite a simple form, bentuk yang paling teringkas. Then you substitute x equal to -4 untuk cari nilai dy dx. Then kamu kena cari koordinat. As I say, you must substitute inside the curve equation to get your coordinate. Okay, and then you can form your equation of tangent already. Just use y minus y1 equal to m tangent x minus x1. Alright guys, so this is your equation of tangent. And then equation of normal, you can see guys, exactly the same. Tengok coordinate dia, it never change, tak berubah. Only thing is, you'll see over here, the gradient only change. Can you see this guys? Dari 13/3, it changed to -3/13. So this is your persamaan normal. Understand guys? Are you clear? Get it? Okay. So guys, for those that still struggle, right, how to find m tangent, m normal equal -1, right? I give you a simple trick. I try a few exercise with you all, you will understand. Okay guys, let's say saya bagi kat kamu, gradient of tangent is 5/6. Can anyone tell me, very fast, without calculator, what is gradient normal? Correct. The most important technique is, you see the fraction, right? You just terbalikkan the fraction, tambah negative. That's all. No need to think further. Okay, one more. I give you all another example. M tangent is -5/7. So what is your M normal now? Terbalik now. Try to think fast and see. Yes. Terbalik, hapuskan negative. This is the fast way to get your answer. So this is how you can get the answer. That's why 13/3, switch, tambah negative. -3/13. Understand? So this is the concept. Okay. So next one, I think last question lah for today. This one, last question, number 2. All right. So they say tangent to curve pass to K7. Okay, find the value of K. All right guys, first step, what should I do? Kita kena cari apa dulu? Yes, dy dx. Okay, so can you all tell me the answer? This one kamu boleh buat cepat. Dy dx. Wow, very good. Correct. 2x minus 4. Yes. Okay, bawa ke depan, kuasa tolak 1. So you will get 2x minus 4. Okay, so now, apa nilai dy over dx kamu? What is the value for your dy dx? Okay, kamu boleh refer this point. So you should know what to do. Yes, very good. Substitute x equals to 3, you will get 2. Okay, so now you got your dy dx. Okay, they say it passed through this point. So guys, what can we do now? What's that? We can form the, bukan? Cannot do that one? Yes, sub y equals 7. Aife, sub y equals 7 kat mana? Kat mana kamu nak ganti? Persamaan tangent. No. Yes, lengkung boleh. Kamu nak cari titik? Can. Let me think. Yes, can. Okay. So you can find your x value. Boleh. Another method, you can think of this also. You see over here, right, guys? You can form the persamaan tangent. Am I right? Because you have the coordinate given to you. Just now kamu cari dah yang ni. You told me the answer is 2. Okay? And then you form the equation of tangent. Y minus y1 equal to m tangent x minus x1. So your coordinate is 1, 3. Sorry. Okay. 1, 3. So you just have to substitute only. So you will get persamaan tangent over here. So guys, they give you another point. Am I right? This is the second point. So why they give you this point is so that you can substitute x equal to k, y equal to 7. So guys, do you see that this is faster to find the answer? Ini lebih pantas. You can direct get k equal to 6. So means that in this question, right, these 2 points lie on the tangent. Dua-dua ni atas tangent. Both of these. So basically the curve and tangent, dia akan kongsi dua titik ni. It will share the same point. So that's why we can substitute these 2 points in the tangent equation. Takkan bagi. Kalau kamu nak, you can imagine. Kamu boleh lukis. Okay? So let's say you have quadratic curve like this. Then you draw a tangent. Then kamu letak nilai lah. Then you can understand already. Lebih senang macam tu. If sub at per equals normal. Let me think and see. Can? I think can. But why you do extra step? No need to do extra step because you already have 2 points that pass through the tangent. So yeah, you don't need to do extra step. Because if you see the language, right, guys, you see the sentence here. The tangent to the curve passes to K7. Means that K7 ni adalah atas tangent. Am I right? So that's why you can direct ganti dalam persamaan tangent. Okay? So are you clear, guys, for part A? So last one, bahagian B. Saya tunjuk kamu. Afiq. Okay. Y equals X minus 2 square. Kamu boleh bayangkan macam ni. Am I right? Sat, mungkin tak sangat accurate. Sat, saya cuba expand. X square minus 4x plus 4. Okay. If you expand, kamu akan dapat persamaan macam ni. Betul? So how to draw? Mungkin macam ni. Okay, bayangan sahaja. Okay, so nilai ni akan jadi negatif B over 2A. So ini adalah paksi simetri. 2. This one 4. Okay. So sampai sini boleh tak? Faham? Okay. So yang ni akan sentuh pada negatif 2 kalau tak silap. Tapi yang tu tak apalah. Okay. Let's say we got tangent. Tangent macam ni. Okay. So kamu refer titik dia. If you refer to the point 3, 1. Okay. So let's say macam ni. This one is 3. This one is 1. Okay. Cuba imagine lah. And then kamu ada satu titik lagi. K7. Okay. Maybe dia kat sini. Sebab lebih jauh. K7. Sekarang boleh faham tak, Afiq, situasi dia? Kalau if you don't understand, right, guys, just draw a rough sketch like this. You can get it already. So now you see the picture is much clearer. Okay? They won't deduct marks for wrong drawing. Okay? Jangan kisah sama ada drawing kamu betul ke tak. They don't care. They only see your working. Mereka lihat apa yang kamu tulis, bukan lakaran kamu. Because soalan tak minta lakaran. Okay, so don't worry. Even right or wrong. Okay, guys? So last one, bahagian B. Okay, so normal to the curve at x equal 1, intersect the x-axis at A. Okay, guys. So the goal here is to find the coordinate of A. So guys, kalau kamu nak cari coordinate A, kamu kena ada apa? What must you have? Based on the question. Kamu kena ada apa normal? Bukan? Kamu kena ada persamaan normal. Equation, guys. Yes, very good. You must have the equation of normal. When you only have an equation, baru kamu boleh cari pintasan X normal. Betul kan, guys? Pintasan X, guys. Kita buat apa? Apa langkah kita? In the normal situation, to find x-intercept, you must let y equal 0. Itu sebab kamu kena ada persamaan normal. Okay, so again the same situation. So guys, I want to ask you, ini lengkung dia kan? Boleh tak kita terus lompat dari lengkung ni ke normal? Boleh ke tak? Macam tu. Can we directly jump from the curve equation to the normal equation? Yes, cannot. Okay, we must always remember, guys, go to tangent. Okay, Afiq, yang ni. Macam saya terangkan tadi. Do you remember this, guys? This part? You must have curve. Second is tangent. Third is normal. Okay, one important point. There is no direct route. Kamu tak boleh terus cari normal dari lengkung. Kamu mesti melalui dy dx dulu. Baru kamu boleh pergi ke normal. Maksudnya tak ada shortcut. You cannot go from number 1 sampai nombor 3 one shot. Macam vektor lah, guys. Vektor kamu tambah-tambah, right? Let's say A, B. Saya cuba hubung kaitkan dengan satu topik. AB. This is your middle point, guys. C. So kamu kena ambil root AC tambah CB. You cannot straight away go AB. Tak boleh. Dalam pembezaan, kena go to tangent dulu. Okay, ingat. Alright. So, yes. So, basically, kamu hanya perlu cari kecerunan lah. So, dy dx. Lepas tu, ganti x equal 1. Then, cari normal. So, coordinate, guys. Apa coordinate kat sini yang kita boleh gantikan untuk bentuk persamaan? What is the coordinate we can substitute over here? Anyone know? Coordinate. Bukan? Afiq, kita tak boleh anggap yang ni adalah pintasan X. Yang tu kita tak boleh anggap. Always remember, guys, titik ni, adakah dia atas lengkung atau di luar lengkung? Macam tadi saya tanya untuk yang ni. Titik X equal 1 ni, adakah dia sentuh lengkung atau tak sentuh? Yes, it always sentuh. Okay, that's why you can substitute X sama dengan 1 ke dalam ungkapan X dalam persamaan lengkung. Cari nilai Y. So guys, you already get a coordinate. Am I right? 1, 1. So then you can solve and find the answer already. Because kamu boleh bentuk persamaan normal. Am I right? So basically, over here, okay, you have this step yang tadi saya terangkan. Kamu ganti x equal 1 dalam persamaan lengkung untuk cari satu koordinat. So koordinat dia ialah 1, 1. Okay, then you do dy dx, substitute x equal 1 because kat sini x sama dengan 1. Okay, and then bentuk persamaan normal. Okay, y minus y1 equal to m normal x minus x1, this equation. Okay, and then nak cari koordinat A kan? A tu pintasan x, x-intercept. X-intercept y equal 0 untuk persamaan ni. Then cari nilai x. Understand guys? So final answer 14, 0. Are you clear guys for this question? Boleh faham dengan jelas untuk soalan ni? Can you get it dah? If you're clear, please respond a bit. Jelas ah? Okay, so yeah, I think this is all lah for today lesson. Let me see. Yeah, this one second part already. Better lah, at least better. Aife, which part? Which part kamu nak tanya? Huh? Don't know ah? You say explain one more time, then you don't know which one I should explain. Last question. Bahagian B, is it? Bahagian B, this one. Oh, okay. So basically, you have the curve. Am I right, Aife? Aife, kamu lebih suka BI atau BM? BI, okay. Totally English, I thought. Okay. So you have the curve. Okay. X equal to 1. You can find the coordinate. Am I right? You just substitute x equal to 1 into the curve equation. So your coordinate is 1, 1. Second step, you must do dy dx because we want to find the normal. So we have to find tangent first because the order is curve, tangent, normal. Okay, so tangent dy dx 7 plus 6 over x square. Okay, then you substitute, yes, x equal to 1. You have the gradient of tangent. Then -1 divide gradient tangent, you will get gradient normal. Am I right? So now you got the gradient normal, you have the coordinate 1, 1, you can form the equation of normal. And then they ask you x-intercept. So x-intercept, let y equal 0. Find your x value. So that is your A coordinate. Understand? So guys, this chapter, right, you have to be clear on the flow of idea. Flow of idea very important. Bab pembezaan. Kamu kena tahu aliran idea kamu. Which one first step, which one second step, third step. Understand, don't memorize. Mathematics, please don't memorize. You must understand. You memorize, it can help you till a certain distance, but after that cannot already. Maths must really understand. Kalau cuba hafal, tak boleh. Trust me. BM you mean for this question, is it? Bahagian B. Oh, okay. So basically, lengkung, kamu ada lengkung ni kan? Y equal 7x minus 6 over x. Langkah pertama, kamu gantikan x sama dengan 1 dalam persamaan lengkung. Okay, untuk cari nilai y. Nilai y sama dengan 1. Jadi koordinat dia 1, 1. Okay. Langkah kedua, cari dy dx. So kamu akan dapat 7 tambah 6 per x kuasa 2. Oh, Wait saya jawab soalan Afiq. This one normal differentiation. Pembezaan biasa. This one. Wait tak perlu guna yang product rule, quotient rule or no need. Oh, tak perlu Afiq. Yang ni, kamu bawa yang ni naik atas. Ya, saya tahu kamu buat macam tu. Okay, macam ni kan. So, kamu boleh terus dy dx yang ni. So, negative 8. Kuasa tolak 1. Bezakan bracket. So, dy dx adalah yang ni lah. Settle. Tak perlu buat UV. Semua tu tak perlu. Habis dah. Okay. Tak perlu. Because, guys, you must understand. Petua hasil darab dan petua hasil bahagi hanya bila kamu ada dua pemboleh ubah. Kat atas dan kat bawah. Sesuatu pecahan. Kalau pecahan kamu, satu dia ada pemala, satu dia ada pemboleh ubah, kamu boleh bezakan macam biasa. Macam saya tunjukkan. Kalau atas bawah baru ada dua pemboleh ubah, then kamu guna petua hasil bahagi atau darab. Kalau petua darab bukan ke ada satu jalan kira tu kita? Yes, ada. Tapi bergantung pada soalan dia. Kalau soalan dia kompleks, that means kena faktorkan lah. Okay. So, kena lihat soalan. Okay. So, for those just now asked the BM version, I explained from the working here lah. I think it's much easier. Okay, rather than the question. This part. Okay, for those tanya BM version kamu dengar, betul-betul. Okay. So, kamu ada persamaan yang ni. Betul? So, saya boleh, actually this step tak perlu. Okay, jangan lihat yang ni. Okay. First step, gantikan X sama dengan 1 dalam persamaan lengkung. Okay, dapatkan nilai Y. So, dari sini kamu dapat satu koordinat. 1, 1. Alright. Langkah kedua, cari dy dx. Okay, kamu akan dapat dy dx. Langkah ketiga, gantikan X sama dengan 1 dalam dy dx untuk dapatkan nilai kecerunan tangent. Okay. Langkah keempat, cari persamaan normal kamu. Kecerunan normal kamu adalah negatif 1 bahagi dengan kecerunan tangent kamu, iaitu dy dx. So, jawapan dia negatif 1/13. Okay. Koordinat kamu tadi 1, 1. Jadi, kamu gantikan 1 dan 1 kat sini. Lepas tu, kamu buat algebra, kamu akan dapat persamaan yang ni. And then, 5, bahagian terakhir, pintasan X. Kamu kena katakan Y sama dengan 0. Alright? Kamu boleh dapat nilai X. So then, kamu tulis jawapan akhir. Koordinat A adalah 14, 0. Understand guys? Do you get it? Untuk BM version? Clear? Okay. So, do you understand better guys today for differentiation? Faham lebih baik tak? No. Ada orang lain aja. Can Okay, good. So, for those yang baru join, okay. If you feel like you need help for maths and maths, you can refer my YouTube channel also. Okay, got ada video lah for most of the topics, maths and maths. Untuk yang baru join lah, you can see my YouTube channel. Okay, yes, Afiq. Tak ada Telegram. I have WhatsApp. WhatsApp group ada. You can PM my number to join. Okay. We know that soalan buktikan formula famous. Yes, correct. How to do? Kena lihat bab dia apa lah. berdasarkan bab baru saya boleh bagi tahu. Okey Afiq, saya tunjuk kat kamu. Okey, saya tunjuk kamu kat sini. Ada satu video kat sini. I show you all. Yes, saya ada buat video tentang yang tu. That's why saya nak tunjuk sekarang. Saya kena cari. Dia kat bawah sikit. Okey, Afiq, nampak yang ni tak? SPM Admaths Extra Class. Koleksi pembuktian. Kamu tekan dua video ni. Semua bab punya proving kat dua video ni. Kamu boleh tengok bab mana. Satu video form 4, satu video form 5. Okay? Untuk yang lain jugalah. If you have any proving problem, just refer my YouTube. Everything explained there already. Okay? Oh, channel name is here. This one. Alright? So, promotion a bit lah here. My Admath exam is on 15/7. This one is PPT, right? Oh, consider lambat lah. Banyak exam PPT sekolah masa Jun. So, kamu lucky lah. Lambat sikit tu. Maksudnya percubaan kamu akan lebih dekat. Oh, Kelantan tunda. Mengapa? Kelantan apa jadilah sekarang? Silibus tak habis. Oh, maksudnya semua sekolah masalah sama ke? Atau sekolah kamu sahaja? Oh, okay. Understand. Actually, kebanyakan sekolah silibus tak habis.